Welcome to the Joe News Auto channel. This time we will discuss the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT 2022 motorcycle. The company Yamaha released the 2022 Tracer 9 GT in September 2021, and received unanimous praise and criticism. The 2022 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT relies on an electronically controlled KYB suspension, a revised 890cc inline triple CP3 engine. Those scrupulous Bavarians noticed that Yamaha cleverly fitted the new kit under the Tracer 9 GT's front fairing. It's right below the LED headlights and between the model's two cornering lights. Practically verified the adaptive cruise control (ACC) feature on the upcoming Yamaha Tracer 9, but the company seems to be late in implementing that ACC. Ducati, BMW, KTM and Kawasaki have adopted the technology in recent years. In fact, the 2021 Ducati Multistrada V4S and the 2022 Kawasaki Ninja H2S XSE also employ a rear-facing radar unit to power the blind spot detection system. As usual, we have to wait for Yamaha's BLUCRU side to officially acknowledge this update. But we can look forward to the launch of the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT 2023 in the coming months. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you can watch the next video.